Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Director Carson for the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 14. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. The Meteor. Looks like Sonic's friends are having camping like in the summer.
Beautiful meteor shower.
That one's flying beautifully toward us.
This could be a major find. We need to approach it cautiously and with great care so that...
Race out.
I think they're gonna go check it out, see what they hit to. Did the meteor hit in the desert look like from Season 1, Episode 1?
Eggman? That's right. And as the intrepid explorer who first discovered this regal rock, I hereby call dibs. What?
Dr. Eggman called that meteor name
So
as
now you don't
Dib.
respect dibs. What's next? You can allow cutscenes, flout the 5-second rule, step on a crack without any regard for your mother's spinal column? Not cool, Sonic. Of course I respect dibs, but you can only call dibs if you're touching the thing that you desire to dib. Oh, well, in that case...
Dr. Eggman is gonna take that meteor, so it's Sonic. And now they both touch.
Ugh. What am I doing in Eggman's Lair? Ugh, Eggman! Ugh. What the? What am I doing in Eggman's body?
What did Sonic then switch body to Dr. Eggman's body?
It was spring break all over again! I'm not Eggman, I'm Sonic! He's pretending to be Sonic again. Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
Sonic, you rest here.
Yes, Amy dear, I won't move, for I am Sonic. And this is my...
What did Dr. Eggman switch body to Sonic's body?
Alright, don't freak out. Play it cool. You're Sonic now.
Did you say something?
No, I was just thinking of something funny that Reddit imbecile we both know said.
You mean Knuckles?
Yes, Knuckles, that's the guy. This is delicious. With my genius mind and sonic speed, I'll finally be able to destroy these pesky rodents once and for all. Time for a test drive. Oh. Now this might take some getting used to.
These numbers are off the chart. Fortunately, I have a bigger chart. Now, let's find out your purpley secrets.
I'm telling you, I'm Sonic. Eggman switched brains with me. I mean, I switched bodies with Eggman. Hang on. Did you switch brains or did you switch bodies? Both. Well then, nothing's changed.
I might find out in the ending, see I was right.
Look, I'm not Eggman. I'll prove it. Oh boy.
Bad energy, huh?
What is this awful feeling in my lungs? Good show, sir. Real impressive stuff, boss. Wait, 5 tails. You don't know what to do.
Dr. Eggman in Sonic's body is getting good, huh?
Superior but far less handsome body. I can destroy those do-gooders for good.
Sonic, come on out. I made milkshakes for everyone.
Ooh, milkshakes. Okay, milkshakes first, then destroy arch enemies. I really appreciate you guys lending me the Eggmobile. I have no idea how Eggman gets around in this location.
Looks like Sonic in Dr. Eggman's body is getting good driving.
If he just said he appreciates us, I'm thinking this might not be Eggman after all. Could someone else be in his body? And if so, ooh.
I didn't even know Sonic has a game console in his home.
Oh yeah, score one for Dr. Sonic. Hey, no need to rub it in, dude. Of course, Sonic's a good sport. I don't know what came over me, Nuggets. Let's see. Badminton with sticks at 4:30, then a hike with the gang, can't miss that. Another video game sesh with Nibbles at 7, then I'll destroy everyone at 7:15. Wait, no, Amy and I are going to see that chick flick at 9. Guess I'll have to destroy them tomorrow. What was that? Sorry about the rough landing. My baby! Guys, it's me, Sonic!
Ah, nice try, Eggman. Wait, no, that was a terrible try.
But I'm not Eggman, I'm Sonic! Don't listen to him, I'm Sonic. Look how blue I am. Must be one of his ingenious plans we all admire him for, haha, friends?
Genius plans! That one, Sonic!
Yeah, we're making fun of Eggman because we're secretly jealous of him, right? I mean, the brains, the panache, the mustache. He's the total package.
That's funny.
Listen, Eggman and I switched bodies somehow. He's me and I'm him. Ow! Eggman threw a pie at me! Huh? No, I didn't. Let's send this miscreant packing. Perhaps it's time we bid our foes adieu. No time! We gotta get out of here! No, I'm Sonic. You gotta believe me. With my body at his disposal, Eggman's just too powerful. How can I possibly take on the fastest hedgehog in the world like this? Ahem.
Sonic and Dr. Eggman's body is going to need to fight them
Did you see the look on his face when he ran
with his
off?
robots
It looked
army.
ridiculous, especially with that stupid mustache. All right, Noodles, that's enough.
Whoa, did you guys feel that?
What the? Oh no, that robot's from season 1, episode 3 again.
Remember, warning shots only. I don't want anyone hurt, got it? Well, what are you waiting for? We're programmed only to obey orders after being threatened. All right, then. Nobody gets hurt, or somebody's gonna get hurt! Yes, sir! Oh, come on! Do you have any idea how much those cost? I mean, between the parts and labor... Ah, jeez. We're gonna be feeling that tomorrow. Get him!
Wow! He just switched brains?
Tails figure out that Meteor.
Sonic is Eggman, Eggman is Sonic!
Wait, what did Tails say? Oh, nothing. You know Tails, always the jokester.
When Eggman and Sonic touched this meteor, they switched brains!
I was right.
How come nobody
Sonic and
told me?
Dr. Eggman went switch brains and then went in their bodies.
Come on, Eggman. Just touch this and give me my body back.
You can't make me. I'm the fastest evil genius on the planet. Whee! Now I'm here. Now I'm there. Nothing can make me touch your stupid purple rock.
Nothing. Not even a close shave.
Wait a minute. Was Sonic in Dr. Eggman's body is gonna cut a mustache that makes Dr. Eggman and Sonic's body to touch that purple rock? Yep, it did. And when they turned back to normal. Good.
So close. I was so close to finally defeating Sonic. What are you two laughing at? Nothing, boss.
Sunburn. Like from summer. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 14, The Meteor, The End. So everyone, don't to forget like and subscribe, so I'll make some more videos. So, goodbye.